the future of Wales is the young people. And having seen the young people we have here today, I have no doubt that the future of Wales is in very good hands. But they have to believe in themselves and actually believe that they can make a real difference by taking part in what's happening here.
To my mind, it's really vitally important that we do whatever we can to actually make sure that people are informed about the constitutional structures which govern us. I mean, constitutions sound, like a very dry thing, but it's hugely important in terms of delivering services, delivering opportunities, and so on and so forth. And so it's absolutely vital that people understand that, because if you don't know how you're governed, you don't know who to hold accountable. And accountability is absolutely at the heart of democracy. Without some basic knowledge of how you're governed, you cannot be an active citizen. Citizenship isn't meaningful, and therefore anything that we can do in events like these to actually make sure that people are better informed, I think is vital.
We've been able to hear different views on devolution and understand what the true meaning of lobbying, and we've been able to tell how we can get involved. Although we can't vote yet, it's interesting to see that we can get involved by joining pressure groups or just signing up online at this age. It's nice to be able to bring in different examples, not just textbook examples, but hearing directly from the Assembly, things that we can talk about in our exam. Yeah, I think we should be involved a lot more, but in order for that to happen, it has to start lower down in schools, so we can give educated votes if we are able to vote at 16.
Today's been a great experience, talking about the devolved powers, devolution, lobbying, and it's just been a great day. It's explained a lot. I'm studying A-level politics. This is helping. Originally I didn't know what lobbying was, and this was a great explanation of what it is, and also to what extent devolution, to what extent do we have devolution in Wales, and this has been a very good experience.
I enjoyed the session. It was, when I was their age, I'd have loved to have done something like this, and it's great that they're able to ask really good questions to a politician. But it's really important that we get more and more young people taking an interest in politics, and even if they're not interested in politics, at least voting, because we never want to see a situation in the longer term where it's assumed that young people mainly don't vote, it's assumed that older people mainly do vote. That'll just introduce an imbalance in the political system. We've got to avoid that.